How to earn cashback on Shopee. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to earn cashback on Shopee. To browse the cashback deals on Shopee, open your web browser and navigate to shopee.com/my/cashback-deals. Here, you will find a variety of discounts and vouchers that you can use to save money on your purchases. Simply scroll down to see more deals and click the claim button to take advantage of a specific offer. Shopee also recommends featured collections and offers occasional discounts on holidays like Christmas. Keep an eye out for promotions offering additional cashback rewards. Review the terms and conditions of each cashback offer before making a purchase. Pay attention to eligibility criteria and purchase limits. By following these steps, you can save money on your Shopee purchases. Enjoy shopping while earning cashback rewards. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.